For today's nail art, we are going to be doing a French manicure. This nail art was inspired by a picture found on Pinterest. Unfortunately, I do not have the name of the nail artist. Using the color Crazy Violet from Eternal Cosmetics, I'm going to paint a diagonal tip on my nail. To ensure I have full coverage, I'm going to add a second coat of polish. Using Lina stamping plate Twirls and Swirls 3, I'm going to stamp some black swirls on the tip of my nail. Along the edge of my French tip, I'm going to stamp a swirl using the color Ice Mauve-jito from Hit the Bottle. To finish your nail art, seal it in with your favorite top coat. And here's the completed design. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art ideas.